Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up dbt Core for analytics transformations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up dbt Core for analytics transformations, begin by ensuring you have Python installed on your machine. You can check if Python is installed by running Python version in your terminal. If Python is not installed, download and install it from the official Python website. Once Python is set up, proceed to install dbt Core using pip, which is the Python package manager. Run the command pip install dbt Core in your terminal to initiate the installation. After the installation completes, verify that dbt is correctly installed by typing dbt version. Now, create a new directory for your dbt project. Navigate to the new directory by using the command cd your_project_directory. With your terminal in the correct directory, create a new dbt project by running dbt init your_project_name. This command will generate the necessary files and folder structure for your dbt project. Change into the newly created project directory using cd your_project_name. Open the dbt_project.yml file in your preferred text editor. In this file, you can configure your project settings, including the name and version. Next, set up your database connection in the profiles.yml file located within the .dbt directory in your home folder. If the profiles.yml file doesn't exist, create one using a text editor. Define your connection parameters based on the database you are using, like PostgreSQL or Snowflake. Now, you can start building models by creating .SQL files in the models directory of your project. Write your SQL queries in these files to define your transformations. Use dbt's built-in functions and macros to enhance your SQL and make it more efficient. Once your models are written, run the command dbt run in your terminal to execute your transformations. After the run completes, verify the results by checking your database for the generated tables. You can also test your models by adding tests in the tests directory and running dbt test. For documentation purposes, generate documentation for your project using the command dbt docs generate. Then, serve your documentation locally with dbt docs serve to review it in your browser. Now you are ready to further explore dbt Core and its features for more complex transformations. Finally, continue to iterate on your models, tests, and documentation as your analytics needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.